In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent header on your Wix site. We'll be doing this directly inside the Wix editor, and the process is very simple. Once you know where to click, a transparent header can give your website a cleaner, more modern look, especially if you want your banner image or the top section of your page to show through behind the navigation area. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. Once your page is loaded, move to the top section of your website where the header appears. You will want to click directly on the header itself. This part is important because you need to make sure you've selected the full header section, not just one individual element inside it. Like the logo, the menu, or a button. If the wrong item is selected, you won't see the correct design options. After the full header is selected, look for the Change Header Design option. This usually appears in the pop-up menu attached to the header, and it's represented by a paintbrush icon. Go ahead and click that to open the design settings for your header. Inside that menu, select Fill Color and Opacity. This is where you control the visibility of the header background. You will see an opacity slider. And to make the header completely transparent, drag that slider all the way down to 0%. As you do this, the solid background will disappear, allowing the content or image behind the header to show through. This is the key setting that creates the transparent effect. Next, check your scroll settings. This is especially important if your header is pinned or set to stay visible while visitors scroll down the page. In the same design area, click on the Scroll tab here. Make sure the scroll opacity is also set to 0%. If you skip this step, the header may become visible again once someone starts scrolling, even if it looks transparent at the top of the page. Setting the scroll opacity to 0 keeps the transparent look consistent as users move through the site. Once you've done that, take a moment to preview your page and see how the header looks both at the top and while scrolling. This helps you confirm that the transparency is working exactly the way you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching.